Hi guys, good evening. So I want to make up now. Do you know why? I just realized that if you don't make up before cooking, your food will never be sweet. Just that's why I'm making up now. So what do you think about that? So try it. Just make up, you cook for your family. You see that food that day is going to be delicious. Just try it. I'm serious about it too. So I'll pray. I want to start cooking now for the family. That's why I'm making up. You don't believe me? You think I'm lying? Here, believe me. If you don't believe me, okay, wait, you see it now. Just watch out. Watch out, you're going to see it if you don't believe me. Better believe me. Wait, let me finish this makeup. You see me? You see the food I'm going to cook today, Just watch it.
I'm in the kitchen. I want to cook. So, whenever I want to cook, or most times when I want to cook, I do my makeup. I feel like when I'm very beautiful, when I look very beautiful, my food will come out beautiful. Beats me. I don't even know where I got that from. But yeah, I believe that when I look beautiful, my food will come out beautiful. That is to say that the food will taste really nice. I don't know where I got it from, but this is like the mindset I have sometimes. Yeah, especially when I want to cook all these like sengemenge type of food. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm about to cook something sumptuous for my hubby and I. By the way, I did my makeup myself. I'm getting good at this makeup thing because I live in Lekki. You know what it means to call makeup artist, home service, every day, every time. In this Lekki, in this regime, don't play. If you don't sabi makeup, YouTube is your friend, because now I only call makeup people during maybe serious occasion, weddings, occasion like very serious occasion. Normal day-to-day makeup, skits, movies, like small occasions, I do my thing myself. So if you know sabi makeup, unless maybe where you are, makeup is 1 naira, 2 naira. For this Lekki phase 1, don't play. Okay, all right guys, so let me cook.
So my people, what do you think about it? Look at her. That means this one you are eating now, you make up before making the food. Wow, I love your style, cheesy. I really love your style. Maybe it's true. My people, let's try it. Just make up before you cook. Make up. Just try it. Maybe your food you made with makeup will be more delicious than the ones you made without makeup. There is no harm in trial. If you know that your food doesn't sweet and whenever you cook your family complain, so please just make up before cooking. Try this cheesy style, maybe it will work for you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Look at it, it's entering her body very well because she made up before making the food. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.